to make money online. It could be your dream to make good money online, and I know the data that you've been purchasing and then the phone that you have in your hand is a money machine. That one, you need to understand it's a money machine. So whenever we talk about how to make money, then you need to, in fact, try to make money with it as well. You don't need to purchase data and use it anyhow. So today I'm going to talk to you about the Nationton Republic, Nationton Republic website. So in the first place, what is Nationton Republic? Nationton Republic is a social media, in fact, a social media where you can chat with other people and a lot. Recently, it has been made as ad site. Okay, yes, it was a social media, now it is now an ad site. An ad site, like, what can I say, like Nationton and those sites that you know, where you can post your stuffs for sale. You can, in fact, they have huge followings on this website. And if I take you around, you can see some of the classified ads they have here. Okay, so whenever you come here, you have other clothing and fashion, shoes and footwear, health and beauty. So this means that you can sign up on this, okay, on this website, and then post whatever you want on this site. Okay, you can post whatever you want on this site. And let's look at some of other stuff you can post here. Whenever you come here looking for property to rent, okay, they have only one, and it's amazing. You can look at other ads on top, highest price on top, and other stuff. So people are posting their stuffs over here for sale on this website. They have huge following. But the amazing thing over here is that before you can get on board, okay, you need to sign up with 10 Cedis, only 10 Cedis, and this 10 Cedis is valid for 1 year. But look, what are the advantages on that? That is why I sent you here. That is why I'm showing you money here. Okay, so how to earn money on Nationton Republic? Whenever you come here, you can post your stuffs. You can, but you can sell any stuff that you want, and you can post unlimitedly the different ads that you want to post. Now, immediately you register, let's look through the benefits. Let's look at what happens. Okay, like I said, you just need 10 CDs to get on board, and it's valid for 1 year. Now, after registering for Nationton Republic, you get referral link. So you get a link. It's simply a link. What happens is that link is unique to you only. The link that is given to you is unique to you only. And anytime you send the link to a friend to also partner or come on this site or register on the site, okay, the company, or let's say the website, knows that that person